This cat is a COVID-19 survivor. This is the InsideEdition.com coronavirus news for May 29, 2020. 9-year-old Papille lives in France. Her owner came down with COVID-19 and spent days in bed. The faithful kitty would snuggle up against him, but soon Papille fell ill as well. At first, her humans didn't know what was wrong with her. They wondered if she might also have contracted COVID-19. So they took her to a vet school outside of Paris to get tested. And sure enough, Papille tested positive. Fortunately, the French feline is now feeling fine, as is her human. Cases of animals getting COVID-19 from humans are rare, but Papille's story is a reminder that people should practice social distancing with their pets, just as they would with family members. And another happy COVID-19 recovery. An indigenous woman from Brazil's Amazon region was cheered as she left the hospital. Nazaria Lopez is reportedly Brazil's oldest indigenous patient to beat the virus. Her official age is 92, though some say she may actually be over 100 years old. She held a sign that read, "One more recovered warrior" in Portuguese. Then she and other recovered indigenous patients took ambulances home. And back in France, seniors can get a little closer to their loved ones, thanks to this inflatable bubble. A nursing home in northern France has introduced the innovation to help keep their residents safe while allowing them to see visitors. The bubble's thin plastic wall allows people to touch, something especially important for Alzheimer's patients who can no longer speak. The nursing home is calling it the happiness bubble. Now, InsideEdition.com's Sal Bono tells us about his recent interview with Dr. Anthony Fauci.
Earlier this month, I had the opportunity to speak to the busiest person in the world, Dr. Anthony Fauci. He took time out of his crazy schedule to talk to me about a story that I'm working on, about the social parallels of the AIDS epidemic and coronavirus. But in my brief time chatting with him, I got an understanding as to who he is, and he's exactly what you see on television. So to begin, how are you doing?
Well, I guess my laugh describes how I'm doing.
He's a man driven by facts. He's a man driven by not opinions, but by data. And it's really refreshing to know that science takes the wheel with him, and what we're getting with him and what we're hearing from him, we should listen to.
There are over 5.8 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 and over 360,000 deaths worldwide. There are over 100,000 deaths in the United States alone. We close with a moment of silence held recently in the U.S. House of Representatives.
The chair will ask all members, the House will be in order. The House will be in order. The chair will ask all members in the chamber, as well as members and staff throughout the Capitol, and members wherever you are, to rise for a moment of silence in remembrance of over 100,000 Americans who have passed away from the COVID-19 virus. Thank you.
For more on the coronavirus pandemic, visit InsideEdition.com.